Good morning, class 7. Welcome back for the today's chapter. We are going to start a new chapter from the portion of mensuration. The name of the chapter is perimeter and area. This chapter will give you more about a diagrammatic views of the things. So this is your chapter number 20, coming to perimeter and area. Let us take a diagram. Okay, what is this? Yeah, if you can see this is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle has this is a length, these are the lengths, and these are the breadths of a rectangle. So there is a length and there is a breadth, but the size of the length and the size of the breadth are different. Whereas the two breadth or the two widths are same size, two lengths are same size. So our rectangle is given to you. The perimeter of a rectangle, the area is just multiply the length and the breadth, or the length or the width. If you multiply it once, you will get the area. And if you in case if you want to find out the perimeter, you have to add all this length plus this width plus this width plus this width, you add it. Or in simple way, there are two lengths and two widths, you add it, length and width, and multiply it with 2. It is the same thing. Okay, now in order to make it more clear, please look at this question from your book, chapter 20, exercise 20. The area of a rectangular park. So this is a park. Okay, imagine this is a rectangular park, and the area is 240 meters square. 240 meters square is not the length, not the width. That means after multiplying the length and the width, we have got 240. And the breadth, only this portion, the breadth is 15. This is 15. So now they have asked you, what is the perimeter? Perimeter means how much of will you get after adding all the four sides. In order to know all the four sides, you should know how much are the lengths, how much are the breadths. Breadth, you know, this is 15, this is 15, but length you don't know. So now we are supposed to find the length. See, as I told you, there is a formula, area equals to length into breadth. Okay, so area is already given in the question. If you can see the question, area is given 240 meters square. So I took as area as 240. Length I don't know, I keep length as L, and breadth is my 15. It is already given. So L into 15, I change the side, and 240 I take it this side. Then I keep this L alone, and since there was a multiplication sign here, when it goes down, it will become division. So 240 divided this 15 goes down. So 16 meter is the length. That means breadth is 15, length is 16. Now perimeter you have to find out. The perimeter means what? I have to add the length and the breadth and multiply it with 2, twice length plus breadth. So my length is 16, breadth is 15. 16 plus 15 is 31. And if I multiply 31 with 2, I get 62 meter. This is my perimeter. So that means if I add all the four sides of this rectangular park, I am going to get answer as 62 meters. Okay, this is about the area and perimeter. Now there is a square. See a question number 2. Yeah, question number 2 says, see, one side is 13. But the good thing about square is square, all the four sides are equal. That means if this is 13, this is also 13, this is 13, this is 13. So all the four sides are 13, 13, 13, 13. That means if I add all the four 13s, I'll get 52 feet. This is the perimeter. Okay. And the question given to me in the book is, in order to fence, please look at the question, in order to fence up this one for 1 feet, I have 100 rupees per foot. That means you have to do the fencing. This is a park, a rectangle, the square park or a square field. You have to do the fencing. You have to cover this park from all these four sides. So what are you going to do? First of all, you find out how much of feet it is altogether. We have calculated altogether it is 52 feet. 1 feet is 100 rupees. So 52 feet will be 100 into 52, that is 5200. That means in order to do the fencing of the entire field from four sides, you have to spend 5200 rupees. Now there is one more variety. See here, this is your question number 3, in which two squares are given to you. Okay, the inside square is 6 centimeter. So area of inside is 6 into 6 is 36, and the outside is 12. So 12 into 12 is 144. You are supposed to find the area of this shaded figure, this shaded. So what are you going to do? The bigger square area minus the smaller square area. So 144 minus 36, that is 108 centimeter. These are the 3 solved questions. So Children, as you see, we have highlighted, or we have found the area of this shaded portion by subtracting the bigger squares area by the smaller squares area. Now you see, that means till now what we did an area and the perimeter of a rectangle, then we did area and perimeter of a square. Now there is one more figure which is a triangle. As you can see this diagram, this is a triangle. I have not solved anything at this portion. This I have left it for you actually. This will be your homework. After finishing question number 3, if you see the next question of your exercise, see there area of a triangle is already given in the question. The formula to find out the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Perpendicular height, it's called perpendicular height because here there is 90 degree. Okay, so this is the height, this is the base. Okay, now just take an example. So area is given in the question, half is already given, and the base is given. You just have to find out the height of the question. This will be your homework for today. A solved PDF or a solved video from here itself, a short video, I will generate it and I will send it to you by this evening. Okay, so this will be your homework for today. Please try to do this exercise from mensuration. Okay, we shall meet soon. This chapter is to be continued. Thank you very much.